I'm Theresa Dardar.
My name's Dardar.
Well, how my health and impact of my community since the hurricane. We had, like Donald's mom, we don't know if it's from the stress or not, but she had what they thought was a stroke, And not long after she was home, and she had roof damage to her home. She lost most of her roof. Mine was more heartbroken than, and I think Donald too. I was very heartbroken, and it kind of depressed me. But my biggest issue was brokenhearted to see our community with such devastation, because it's something we had never seen before. What we're doing to try to move forward and be a more resilient community is to try and build stronger. We know that most of the homes, we had 80 homes in our community, which is located lower Pointe-au-Chien, below the wildlife and fisheries. And we had 80 homes, and we had 12 that were livable after Ida. And a lot of them have to be built up from bottom up, all the way from the pilings, the stilts, everything, has to be replaced. And not too much work has been done yet. The way we could help other communities adapt to this is that we are working with Lowlander to show people how to build a stronger roof. In fact, she's at Dumas Auditorium right now with flyers and, to give out flyers and talk to people about how to build their roofs to make it stronger, whether it's a tin roof or a shingle roof. There are instructions on how to do it better. We were having housing meetings on Thursdays. Well, we still have them on Thursdays. I haven't been because I had COVID, but we've been with a team on the housing planning. They came up with this plan on, like, if you're gonna put shingles, there's a kind of tape that you can put, and you put that, so even though you do lose some shingles, with the tapes there to reinforce so water doesn't get into your home. And so she has flyers, and I think they have a big poster or something. I didn't see her setup yet. We're supposed to go meet her there. And then also, like, they use our little greenhouse that we built. It's made out of tin, and it survived very well. And it has a lot of screws instead of nails.
Instead of using nails, we use screws. So that's all. We think that made a difference. And plus the insulation, the whole roof by the inside is sprayed with that spray foam insulation. So I'm thinking that might help for the vibration, held it together, and that's my thinking.
It like reinforced it.
Yeah.
Yeah.